Hello, my fellow mathletes. Root Beer here, and we are looking at question 4 on our grade 10 Cayley paper. The expression 2 times a third times 3 times a half equals. All right, now if you're very good at mental arithmetic, you can jump straight to the answer of 1. I'll explain how in just a moment. But of course you could, remember, calculators are allowed, you could grab your calculator and work this out. Okay. But here's how I would think through the question. And I would think through this, I wouldn't probably write this down, I would just sort of think through this mentally. Multiplication is all we see here. I mean, sure, there are brackets here, and so you might say, well, brackets need to be done first. I mean, the expression still makes sense without the brackets, right? It's all multiplication. If there were additions, subtractions, divisions, then yeah, the brackets would be important. But if it's all multiplication or all addition, the brackets really don't help you. Okay? And then we can realize, well, multiplication doesn't care the order in which you do it. So what I would do is I would say, oh, the 3 and the third, they cancel out, don't they? They become 1, so we can just ignore it. And then, hey, the 2 and the 1/2, they multiply to be 1 as well. They cancel out. And so you're just left with 1 as your answer. Okay? Now, if you don't want to think it through, that's fine. Calculators are absolutely allowed. You just punch it in, or you could multiply the 2 and the third and get 2/3, and multiply the 3 and the half and get 3/2, and then you know how to multiply fractions. So you get 6/6, and you can get 1 that way as well. That's fine too. But in terms of a mental shortcut, I think pairing the numbers up with the multiplication works out fantastic. And that the faster we get done questions like question number 4, the more time we have for harder questions like question 14 or question 21 or something like that. Okay. So I will see you guys in question number 5 in the next video, if that's something you're interested in. Until then, take care.